Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Morningstar for portfolio allocation tools, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Morningstar for portfolio allocation tools, begin by visiting the Morningstar website. Once you are on the home page, locate the sign up or register button. Click on that button to proceed to the registration form. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use an active email address that you can access. Next, create a secure password. Ensure that your password meets the required security criteria. After entering your email and password, fill out any additional required information. This may include your name, location, and other demographic details. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, if available. Make sure you understand these agreements before proceeding. Once you have filled out all necessary fields, click on the Submit button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Morningstar. This email may contain a link to verify your account. Click the verification link to activate your account. You may need to log in again using your email and newly created password. Upon logging in, navigate to the Portfolio Allocation Tools section of the site. Explore the various features available to you as a registered user. Familiarize yourself with the interface to optimize your experience. Consider taking advantage of any tutorials or help resources offered. You are now ready to start using Morningstar's portfolio allocation tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.